everyone, it's Jenny from A1 Pest Control in Canberra, and who I'm talking to is the bakers out there. The bakers that have got the kitchen going all the time, bringing those beautiful breads and pastries and all sorts of nice, delectable goodies. But the thing is that at times there's been bakeries that have held off because of getting pest control, because no one will come out at a time that suits them. Look, we're prepared to come out way before you start to bake or directly after you finish baking. We definitely don't want to be around at your busiest time of the day. So what I'm saying is that if you need a reliable pest control company that will keep all your pest records and to ensure that you get the tick off when the health department comes knocking, we are the ones. So give us a call on 0407 065 413 and we will come out and give you a very competitive quote, and I'm sure that you'll love the service that we give. Give us a go. You know, a lot of people are stuck within the same pest control company that they've had forever, but over the time they may have dropped their game a little bit. You know how it is, you know, they get a bit slack and you're not real happy with them, but it's time for a change. It's time to get someone in like that will actually do the job, that are keen, and you'll get consistent work all the time from us, giving us 100% all the time. So give us a call on 0407 065 413 and we will be out to see you very, very soon. Bye for now.